Hello dear learners. In previous lecture we have seen the introductory part of milk, the definition of milk and the various constituents present in milk, that is fat, protein, lactose, vitamins, minerals and moisture content of various species. In this lecture we are going to discuss in detail about the various constituents present in milk. Means details about the fat, details about the protein, details about the lactose, details about the vitamins, details about the minerals. So let's see uh, the constituents of milk in this lecture. We have seen in the previous lecture that the primary function of milk in nature is to nourish and provide the immunological protection for the young animals. We have also seen the milk provides the excellent support towards the human nutrition, as it contains the balanced quantities of required nutrients such as the protein, fat, carbohydrate means the lactose, minerals and the vitamins. Here the table is given. The table shows the energy value of milk of selected breeds of the animals in 100 gram. If we are consuming the 100 gram of milk, then what will be the energy that we will get from that 100 gram of energy that is given in this table. Milk is an economical source of energy and furnishes the almost all the essential dietary constituents required for the normal physiological functions. It means that to perform the normal physiological functions, milk is an economical source of energy. Economical source of energy, and due to or with the help of this energy, it helps to perform the normal physiological functions of body. It supplies the bodybuilding proteins, bone forming minerals and health giving vitamins, and furnishes the energy giving lactose and the milk fat. Besides supplying the certain essential fatty acid, it contains the above said nutrients in an easily digestible forms. It means that even we consume the milk, uh, the whatever the nutrients that we are getting from that milk, uh, they are very easy to digest, or it present in easily digestible form. And all these properties make milk an important food for the pregnant and lactating women, growing children, adolescents, adults, invalids, then convalescents and the patients alike. And this table shows the energy value of milk of selected breeds of animals. As I told you earlier, uh, it is showing the if when we consume the 100 gram of milk of this species, that is the buffalo, cow, goat, sheep and human, then what will be the energy value of by consuming the 100 gram of milk of such a species? If the 100 gram of milk of the buffalo is consumed, then The figures in parentheses denotes the value in kilojoules, means the 406 kilojoules, and these are the kilocalories. If we consume the 100 gram of milk of buffalo, then we will get the 97 kilocalories. Then if we consume 100 gram of milk of cow, then the calorie will be of just 60, the goat 69, sheep 108 kilocalorie, and the human milk 70 kilocalories. Energy from the carbohydrate, means this buffalo contains the carbohydrate, that is the lactose. If the 100 gram of milk contains the 20.4 kilocalories. Okay, so this is the table, and this table shows the energy formed from the carbohydrate, energy formed from the fat, and the energy from the proteins. Okay, so if we consume the 100 gram of cow milk, by consuming the carbohydrate which is present in 100 gram, then we will get the energy from the carbohydrate, that is the 17.7% and 28.6% 28.6 kilocalorie from the fat, and 16 kilocalorie from the proteins of the buffalo milk. Okay, and this is the cow milk, 60 kilocalorie, which the 17.7 kilocalorie from the carbohydrate, 28.6 kilocalorie from the fat, and 13.7 kilocalorie from the proteins. And this is the rest species, the figures which is given here in this table. So this is all about the when we consume the 100 gram of the milk of this species, then we will get the given calories there. Okay, so this is about the energy that we get from by consuming the 100 gram of the milk from this. The first point, the first composition, that is the milk fat. Here we are discussing the major composition or constituent of milk. The first one is the milk fat. Since in previous table we have seen the importance of the milk fat and the energy giving capacity of milk fat, which is given here in the above table, we have already seen. And here in this, since milk fat stays in the stomach longer than do carbohydrates and proteins, they improve the satiety value of diet. It is carrier of fat soluble vitamins, that is the ADK. It means that when we are consuming the milk fat, so that milk fat generally contains the fat soluble vitamins ADEK, and you know very well the importance of vitamins ADEK. Okay, vitamin A is very useful for the eyes, vitamin D, which is very useful for the bones, vitamin A, which is very useful to maintain the fertility, and the vitamin K is very useful for clotting of blood. So all these four vitamins, ADEK vitamins, are called as the fat soluble vitamins, and all these vitamins are present in the milk fat. The short chain fatty acids are unique of milk lipids and are digested and absorbed quickly. It means that this milk fat generally contains the short chain fatty acids and are unique of milk lipids, and they are digested and absorbed very quickly. The position of double bond linkages along the carbon chain in polyunsaturated fatty acids is of great nutritional importance. Milk lipids also contain the phospholipids. When we see the micro structure of the milk fat, then we can easily uh, see the presence of the phospholipids in that, which are a vital part of brain and nervous tissues. Okay, so these phospholipids are very important one, and they are the vital part of brain and nervous tissues. They are extremely important as intermediary substance of fat metabolism. Conjugated linoleic acid, that is the CLS, are a group of naturally occurring isomers of linoleic acids and are of great interest with respect to their anti-carcinogenic effect. Now, what do you mean by the anti-carcinogenic effect? Anti-carcinogenic effect means these cells generally fight against the cancer producing cells, and therefore these are called as the anti-carcinogenic effect. It means that the conjugated linoleic acids are a group of linoleic acids are a group of naturally occurring isomers of linoleic acids and are of great interest with respect to their anti-carcinogenic effect. It means that these conjugated linoleic acids are a group of naturally occurring isomers. Okay, these are the naturally occurring isomers of linoleic acid, and they are very useful or the great interest with respect to the anti-carcinogenic effect. It means that they fight against the cancer producing cells. CLS, that is the conjugated linoleic acids, also exhibit several biological activities, such as, it means that it also helps in the several biological activities such as immunomodulation, then reduction in atherosclerosis, or increase in bone mass and muscle mass. So in this way, this part or the CLS play very important role, and these are present in milk fat. Therefore, milk fat plays very important role as a role in nutrition of human. Okay, what we learn from the milk fat? Just we have to keep it in mind. Milk fat are very important one. Okay, they digest very easily. Milk fat contains the fat soluble vitamins, that is the A, D, E, K, and you know very well the importance of vitamin A, D, E, K. Vitamin A is required for the eye's health. Vitamin D is required for the healthy bones, or it prevents the formation of rickets. Then vitamin E, it is required to maintain the normal fertility, and then vitamin K, which is required for the blood clotting. So all these vitamins are called as the fat soluble vitamins, and all those vitamins are present in the milk fat. Okay, as it is the short chain fatty acids and unique milk lipids, it is digested easily and absorbed very quickly. So we have to keep it in mind. The second point. Third point is that it contains the conjugated linoleic acid, that is the CLS, and which fight against the cancer producing cells, that is called as the anti-carcinogenic effect. Therefore it also plays very important role. So, and again this CLS also plays the biological activities such as immunomodulations, then reduction in atherosclerosis, and increase in bone mass and the muscle mass. So in this way, in this lecture we have seen the first major milk component, that is the milk fat.